Never miss your favorite channels or live shows on YouTube TV. First, open your YouTube TV app. If you share your account, remember that each profile has its own favorite channels, so customize it for each user. Next, head over to the Live tab. This is where you'll see the full channel lineup in real time. You'll know what's on now and what's coming up next. Here's the secret. Click the Sort or Customize option on the right side. Now you can reorder channels. Put your favorites at the top or hide the ones you never watch. To mark a channel as a favorite, just click the star icon or select Add to Favorites. Your favorites will show up in a special section, making them easy to find on your phone or smart TV. Next, let's make sure you never miss a show. Go to Settings, Notifications. Enable alerts for upcoming shows or live events. You'll get a pop-up or mobile notification before your favorite program starts. Super handy. Finally, YouTube TV syncs automatically across all your devices. So if you favorite a channel on your phone, it'll also appear on your smart TV, tablet, or laptop. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more YouTube TV tips. See you next time.